So my client did request a paint job. Today we will be transforming this jet black wig unit into a honey blonde. Yes, all my clients think I'm a magician, and I am. So this wig was previously installed, so the lace was already cut, but I just want to show you how healthy and silky and full this wig was. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just placing down the wig, making sure that there will be no shifts in the midst of me processing this hair. Now, once that bad boy was safe and secured, I went along and prepped all the products I will be using to achieve. I did use Quick Blue Bleach along with the 40 volume developer and aluminum foil. I went ahead and sectioned out my hair into 4 or 5 parts along with detangling the hair and got this bad boy jumping. As you can see, I started processing, and yes, I process in chunks because as long as it's all saturated, the job will get well done, especially here at the Money Collection. So as you can see, I'm just fully saturating their hair, and the aluminum foil method is to apply that heat that is necessary for this bleach to really get active and make sure that the hair is not blotchy, because I hate a bitch with some blotchy ass fucking hair. And when I say blotchy, I mean, you ever seen a girl who processed her hair or colored it a certain color, preferably red or blonde, what I'm doing right now, and throughout the wig, you could see the full demarcation. You could see throughout the wig, it got brown and black spots because the hair wasn't processed through correctly. That's not what I'm going for here. I'm making sure that I am combing through and out this hair as I'm processing it, so I can make sure each and every strand of hair is getting a little bit of this bleach. So I had went ahead and covered up the wig unit with a nice thin layer of aluminum foil to just make sure that it is really penetrating. I let it sit for about a good 15 minutes, and I went ahead and rinsed it off with neutralizer. Of course, I let the wig air dry overnight, and this was the final result. I am not mad at it.